Packet tracer configure IP version 6 addressing. And we have addressing table in this side. Objectives part 1 configure IP version 6 addressing on the router. Part 2 configure IP version 6 addressing on servers, on clients. And part 4 test and verify network connectivity. Background. In this activity, you will practice configuring IP version 6 addresses on a router, servers, and clients. You will also practice verifying your IP version 6 addressing implementation. Part 1 configure IP version 6 addressing on the router. Step 1 enable the router to forward IP version 6 packets. Click router 1 and then click in the command line interface tab, press enter. Okay. Enter privilege exec mode. Okay. Enter the IP version 6 unicast routing global configuration command. This command must be entered to enable the router to forward IP version 6 packets. Okay. In configure terminal, enter the command IP version 6 unicast routing. Enter. Okay. Step 2 configure IP version 6 addressing on Gigabit Ethernet 00. Enter the command necessary to move to interface configuration mode for Gigabit Ethernet 0/0. Configure the IP version 6 address with the following command. Okay, for this, enter the command interface, in this case G00, and enter the command IP version 6 addresses and the address. I copy from the packet tracer and enter in the command line interface. Check if the address is correct. Okay, and enter. Configure the link local IP version 6 address with the following command. Okay, okay, we have to remember this address is global unicast address. So, okay, and this address is only IP version 6 address local for the local network. I copy from here this command and paste here. Okay, and finish with activate the interface with the command no shutdown. Enter, enter, and exit. Okay, and exit again. And we have to execute the command copy, running config, and startup config for save all the change in the router 1. The next step 3 configure IP version 6 addressing on Gigabyte 01. Enter the command necessary to move to the interface configuration mode for G01. Refer to the addressing table for the correct IP version 6 address. Configure the IP version 6 address, the link local address, and activate the interface. Okay. Again, enter the command configure terminal. Enter the command interface, in this case G01, and go to put the IPv6 global unicast address here, copy with the command IP version 6 address and paste the address. Check in the table if the address is correct. Okay, enter, and go to put the next IP version 6 address, but in this case is the address link local, and link local. Okay, okay, my bad. Paste and link local. The next command is no shutdown. Exit, exit, copy, running config, again copy, and startup config. Okay, okay. Step 4, configure IP version 6 addressing on serial 000. Enter the command necessary to move to the interface configuration mode for serial 0. Refer to the addressing table for the correct IP version 6 address. Configure the IP version 6 address, the link local address, and activate the interface. Okay, with the same commands, in this case, enter again in configure terminal, enter in interface S000, and check in the table what is the address. Okay, IP version 6 address, copy, okay, paste, okay, IP version 6 addresses, okay, and the next is IP version 6 addresses, FA, one. Sorry, my bad. Okay, and finish with no shutdown. Exit, exit, copy, running, and start to config. Yes. Go to see the next step. Step 5, verify IPv6 addressing on R1. It's good practice to verify addressing when it's complete by comparing configured values with the values in the addressing table. Exit configuration mode on R1. Verify the addressing configuration by issuing the following command: show IPv6 interface brief. If any addresses are incorrect, repeat the steps above as necessary to make any correction. Now, to make a change in addressing with IPv6, you must remove the incorrect address, or else both the correct address and incorrect address will remain configured on the interface. Example: no IPv6 address and the address to change. Save the router configuration to NVRAM. Okay, go to check the addressing table with the command show IPv6 interface. No, yes, interface brief, and check between the table and the command line interface. Okay, for Gigabyte Ethernet 00, this is the global unicast address 201 dba 111. Okay, and it's up, and this is the link local IPv6 address is correct. The next is the interface G01. This is the link local address is correct, and this is the global unicast address 201 dba 121. And the last interface is serial 000 is here. This is the link local address is correct, and finish with the global unicast address 201 dba 1A0012. Okay, seems is correct this information. Okay. And part 2, configure IPv6 addressing on the server. Step 1, configure IPv6 addressing on the accounting server. Click accounting and click the desktop tab IP configuration. Okay. And IP configuration. Mhm. Configure the CAD server with the addressing as was done in step 1. Refer to the addressing table for the addresses to use. Okay, sorry, it's here. Step 1, configure IPv6 addressing on the accounting server. Okay, set the IPv6 addresses. Address with prefix 64, set the IPv6 gateway to the link local address. Okay, copy, paste, 64, and gateway here, paste. Okay, okay. Close command prompt and verify if the change is ready. IPv6 config slash all IPv6 and default gateway. Okay. Close and go to step 2. Configure IPv6 addressing on the CAD server. Okay. Configure the CAD server with addresses as was done in step 1. Refer to the addressing table for the addresses to use. Okay. Enter in IP configuration, CAD. Okay. Copy, paste 64, subnet mask 64, and the same default gateway. Close command prompt and the same command. Okay. Okay, just correct this information. Part 3. Configure IPv6 addressing on the clients. Configure IPv6 addressing on the sales and billing clients. Click Billing and then select Desktop tab, followed by IP configuration. Set the IPv6 address with the prefix 64. Set the IPv6 gateway in the link local address. Repeat the steps 1 through 1C for sales. Refer to the addressing table for the IPv6 addresses. Okay, close and okay. In the billing version 6, paste. Set the IPv6 gateway to the link local address. Paste. Okay, the prefix or subnet mask 64. Okay, and repeat in the sales. Okay, close, open sales, IP configuration, paste. Okay, paste 64, close. Okay. Step 2. Configure IPv6 addressing on the engineering and design clients. Click Engineering and then select Desktop tab followed by IP configuration. Set the IPv6 address with the prefix. Set the IPv6 gateway to the link local address. Repeat step 2. A throw to C for design. Refer to the addressing table for the IPv6 addresses. Okay. Engineering. IP configuration, copy from here, paste 64. Okay, copy, paste. Okay, and 64. And repeat with design according to the addressing table. Okay, this is design. Paste 64. Paste. Close, close. Part 4, test and verify network connectivity. Open the server web page from the clients. Click Save and click the Desktop tab. Close the IP configuration window if necessary. Click Web Browser, enter this URL box and click Go. The accounting website should appear. Okay. Enter. Okay. Okay. Click Sales and okay. Web Browser and go. Accounting server. Welcome to the accounting server. Okay. And the next. Okay. I don't have connectivity to this address. Okay. 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 From here. From design. Okay, maybe it's a problem between these two networks. Okay, so step 2, ping the ISP, click on any client, click the desktop tab, command prompt, test connectivity to ISP by entering the following command. Repeat the ping command with other clients until full connectivity is verified. Okay, copy from sales, close, command prompt, and execute this command. Okay, okay, I don't have connectivity between these networks and the ISP. So I go to check all of this table here, enter, enable, show IP version 6, interface, brief. Okay, 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 sales. Okay, 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 my bad. In this case, we need to put in IP configuration, in local link address, the same default gateway, in this case FE81 in these two fields. So here, here, here and here. In this form, we can communicate between networks. I go to test with the command prompt, ping to the ISP. Okay, I have connectivity between the device sales and the ISP. And I try connect in the server card. Paste, go. Okay, I have connection with the server card and with the server accounting. Okay, and we have the example 100% complete. So this is all for this. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one. Bye.